Hello. Thanks for being here. I am, as always when I have something delicate to pack, I am somewhat tormented. I'm sending the top of a Commodore 128 case that has been signed by Bil Herd. And in front of me, I have an old Commodore 64 box, which would work pretty well for shipping. And it's got a little bit of damage at the one end, so I won't really miss it. But then I don't want it to distract people in the midst of shipping, thinking that it might be a Commodore 64 and they might want to run away with it. Not that that would happen, of course. I did go out of my way to get a very large pizza box. But, you know, they're strong and all. But I just don't know if I trust such a box, even if there's bubble wrap and stuff applied, that it won't get crushed by some other box. So I have another box that's kind of a moving box, but it's way too big. But that's what scissors are for. So I am tormented as I ponder. I have lots of bubble wrap. I have lots of tape. You know, I also have a great big envelope, which of course, if I use it, it would be for the thing to go inside of a box, not by itself, because that would be certain death. And I don't want that. So I'm going to torment myself and decide which option of all of these, or perhaps another option. The case of a 128 is bigger than a 64. And quite slender. But also, I really don't want it to arrive there in some broken state. So, I shall ponder. I shall stay tuned.